Welcome to WebbyCrown Solutions. This is Odoo in Practice, Episode 9 of 10, Projects and Employees. Stay until the end. I will tell you what to watch next and why. Not every company is a warehouse. If you sell implementation, design, or support, the work is tasks on a project. Timesheets record hours. You can invoice those hours from the sales order if you set it up that way. Employees is the HR card, name, department, manager. A user login is how they enter Odoo. They are related, not the same. Calendar is meetings for the whole team. Open project for boards and tasks. Open timesheets for hours. Open employees for the org chart. Time off and attendances exist on this database. We keep this episode on the core 4. Do not run a 10-person services firm only from sales quotations with no tasks. The work will vanish. Project, employees, calendar, and timesheets only. Projects and tasks. This is delivery of work, not stock moves. Employees is the people file. Users are how they log in. Takeaways. Projects hold the work. Timesheets hold the hours. Employees hold the people. People and projects are on the map. Watch episode 10 next, the last episode. Point of sale, email, dashboards, and when to add extra apps. That is the full platform and what not to install yet. Thank you for listening to Odoo in Practice. Visit www.webbycrown.com or contact us at sales@webbycrown.com.